The problem with this printer is that the black ink disappears when printing. This also happens with other Canon G-Series printers such as the G1010, G2010, G3010, and G4010. Check the hose to see if the ink flow is interrupted or if there are bubbles inside the hose. Warning: before doing anything, make sure you've already done head cleaning and power cleaning, and it still doesn't work. Proceed with this video. Please watch until the end. This is applicable to Canon G-Series printers such as the G1010, G2010, G3010, and G4010. Watch this to learn how to install an external waste ink tank on a Canon G-Series printer and where to connect the hose. You can also use a recycled plastic bottle in this case. There are ready-made waste ink tanks available on Shopee that can be used for both Canon and Epson printers. One of the advantages of having this is that you no longer need to remove the printer cover to access the waste hose when there are print quality issues. Check the video, the link is in the cards above if you want to watch it first. If you have already installed the waste hose, there are two hoses, one for the black print head and one for the color print head. To identify the hose for black, perform a head cleaning and select only black. Use the syringe to suction from the hose where the waste ink drips. Found the black waste hose? Perfect. This is where you'll use the syringe. Now, use a syringe to suction from where the ink comes out. Do this 2 to 3 times. Make sure the ink tank is full, because it can cause more problems if the tank is almost empty. This method can also be used for color if the problem is that no color comes out, such as cyan, magenta, or yellow. Dispose of the suctioned ink, never recycle it, or it might harm your printer head. For black ink, use original ink because it is pigment-based and is the one intended for this printer. Most third-party black inks are usually dye-based. Since original ink is expensive and I understand that Canon does not cover the printer warranty if non-genuine ink is used, I use Inkrite dye ink for Canon for color. I have been using it for over a year now. Inkrite has also been in the ink industry in the Philippines for a long time. Don't forget to refill the ink, especially when it's almost empty, because this can cause colors to fade or appear wrong due to missing colors, aside from other issues like paper jams or a printer that hasn't been used for a long time. Also, check out the product tags below the video for recommended digital printing and other related tech products. And also check the affiliate store links. I'll just add a link to Alibaba or AliExpress for international viewers in the comments or video description. Now, let's get back to the video. After suctioning with the syringe from the waste hose, you also need to do 1 or 2 head cleanings, then print a check pattern to see if the colors are okay. Wait until the cleaning is finished, then print the check pattern. If you can see all the colors, especially the black that was missing earlier, then the black, yellow, cyan, and magenta are all complete. Your printer is now okay and ready to print properly. Let's print a picture to check the print quality. I'll be using resin-coated photo paper, both RC satin and RC glossy. I'll show how well my printer still performs even after more than 2 years since I bought it. This is what I do whenever there's a color problem, and I still haven't replaced the printer head, which has a print count of over 4,000. Want to learn how to print photos with Easy Photo Print EX? Watch the video link above. Check out how vibrant and good the print quality of my printer still is. I recommend this photo paper for pigment or dye ink printers. It delivers excellent quality and prints beautifully.